guys, welcome back to part 2 of our birthday celebration with Jethro and me. After having our ice cream, we decided to walk around Kampung Glam to explore the area and discovered many interesting murals on the walls. But before reaching our destination, we stumbled across a very cute cookie dough stall and decided to try a tub of their cookies and cream flavour to go. It tasted really amazing, by the way. As you can see, it was located just across the street from our next activity at Textile Centre. To get to our next stop, we took the lift to level 12, which is accessible only from lifts 7 and 8. We honestly got a little lost along the way since it was our first time in the area. But at last, we finally reached ArtifyStudio to try our hands at art jamming. The studio is a really homely and cozy place, and it really spurred our creative juices on. First, we decided to choose an artwork to paint from the hundreds of pretty pictures they have on display, ranging from easy to difficult pieces. They have all the materials you need ready, and just look at the range of colours and materials they had. Not only that, but the view of the area from the studio was so beautiful, and I could honestly spend my entire day here. After getting ready and putting on our aprons, we started sketching on our pieces and yeah, please do not attempt to force the paint out like that. We spent a peaceful 2.5 hours painting our masterpiece, and when we were done, we got to the drying area to make sure the paint was dry, and yep, just look at our wonderful artworks against that view. Well, perhaps not so much mine as it was Jethro's. That's all that we have for this part of our video. Catch our next vlog where we chill with our favourite animals.